Inspiration Thursday. Hi guys, just showing you some of my backyard garden in Jamaica. You can see all those lovely dasheen and some pumpkin. So I'm just encouraging all the Jamaicans to do some backyard farming. So you can eat from your own backyard like I do. So this is some plantain and some sweet pepper around it. A nice lovely sweet plantain growing. Nice lovely dasheen and some nice tomato. Look at them guys, so green and pretty. Some Jamaican scallion. Imagine how strong it is. And it's in St. Elizabeth, so you can only imagine. Oh my God. More dasheen guys. So it's the same dasheen. And some lemon tree. I've got some let's see what this is again. So this is some sweet pepper and not sure what tree that is, but this is a June plum tree and it's already bearing. June plum guys, can you believe it? So yes guys, this video is from St. Elizabeth. You can see some ackee tree and loads and loads of sweet pepper. Plantain, almost shooting some plantain. I think this is breadfruit tree. Soursop. Yeah, this is definitely a breadfruit tree. And this is a guava. You can see nice lovely leaves. Coconut. So yes guys, I have to encourage my people to do some farming. We can't just sit down do nothing. And the farming, you can eat from it. Some mangoes, you can't too much guys. Some good old Julie mangoes and ackee can't too much for me. So you can see guys, you have to start from somewhere, and I think now is the best time to start because of cost of living and all of that. So
the sweet pepper then. Oh, nice piece of sweet pepper, is it?
Sweet pepper guys, sweet pepper. June plum. Lemon, I think that's the same lemon tree. potato sucker, scallion, dasheen or cocoa. Yeah, dasheen. But when the plantain was very small, and within a month it grows so big, guys. Look at it. You didn't believe banana could grow in St. Elizabeth so quick. Within 6 months they're eating plantain or banana already. And some more little bushes. Not sure what this one is, like a soursop, and this is the June plum. Definitely breadfruit and ackee. Yes, guys, so I'm encourage everyone to start your own backyard garden. You don't have to go far. You can start it in your very own backyard, or if you have a big enough front yard, you can plant a few things. You could start it in your front yard. So it don't have to be a backyard garden, it could be a front yard garden. Because I'm gonna take my front garden, my front yard, and turn it into a front yard garden, so I can eat more food. That little tree is so pretty, guys. I think that's a young breadfruit tree. Soursop leaf, soursop tree. You can take soursop to make soursop tea. It's good for loads of stuff. More guava, breadfruit. It might be hard work, guys, but it will pay off in the end. Once you start it and you see the beautiful plant growing so nice, you'll be happy, you'll be loving it. Then you start eat from it. Eat some tomatoes, eat some sweet pepper. You got your own callaloo or cabbage or loads of different plants. You can get some pumpkin, some sweet corn. Then in no time you'll be having coconut, you'll be having jelly water. See, guys, and ash is really good anyway for the plant, so don't mind if you have to burn it all out to start. Just do what you have to do so you can start, guys. Start your planting now. Start growing food. Almond is so expensive here, guys. Thanks for watching.